Welcome back to Travel Pinch, where we share amazing travel tips and insights. Today's topic is all about solo travel anxiety and how you can overcome it. Traveling alone can be a wonderful and life-changing experience, but it can also be intimidating, especially if you're a first-time solo traveler. Here are some tips to help you manage your solo travel anxiety. Tip number 1: Plan ahead. One of the best ways to reduce anxiety when traveling solo is to plan ahead. Make a detailed itinerary and book your accommodation, transportation, and activities in advance. This will give you a sense of control and help you feel more prepared for your trip. Tip number 2: Research your destination. Before you leave for your trip, take some time to research your destination. Learn about the local customs, culture, and laws. This will help you avoid any cultural faux pas and make a good impression on the locals. Also, research the transportation system and local scams to avoid, so you can navigate your destination with ease. Tip number 3: Start small. If you're new to solo travel or feeling particularly anxious, start small. Take a day trip or a weekend getaway to a nearby destination to get a feel for solo travel. This will help you build your confidence and prepare you for longer solo trips in the future. Tip number 4: Stay connected. Staying connected with loved ones back home can be a great way to alleviate anxiety. Let them know your plans for the day and check in with them regularly. You can also join travel groups on social media to connect with other solo travelers and get tips and advice from them. Tip number 5: Embrace the unknown. Lastly, it's important to embrace the unknown when traveling solo. Solo travel is all about exploring new places, meeting new people, and trying new things. So don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone and try something new. Be open to the unexpected and trust your instincts. Solo travel can be a daunting experience, but with these tips, you can manage your anxiety and enjoy the freedom and adventure that solo travel offers. Remember to plan ahead, research your destination, start small, stay connected, and embrace the unknown. We hope these tips will help you have an amazing solo travel experience. Thanks for tuning in to Travel Pinch, and happy travels!